Hello, good morning, hello, good afternoon everybody. Welcome to this week's video. So this is week 4 of your Lanc School Games challenges at home. Now what I have for you this week, as you can see, is, well, looks like quite an interesting drill. So what we're working on this week is our counterbalance and passing. Alright, so what we need to do for this is we need a marker, which you can use a cushion in your house, or a shoe, or a towel. Alright, now you're going to place that down. If you're outside, you can use a cone or a marker or a plant pot, providing that it's not going to smash and providing you're not going to hurt yourself. Or alternatively, you can ask your mum or dad for something which you can use from out of the garden. Now, as you can see, I have no partner this week, so what I've got instead is a washing line with my coat on. Now, unfortunately, it's not my mum's coat, because otherwise I would have got shouted at for that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place this ball down by the pink cone. I'm going to use a counterbalance, and we're simply passing that ball to my target. Now, like I say, you can use a partner instead of said coat. Now, what we need to include for this video is our passing technique. Now, if I'm passing, which I will be doing, over my right shoulder, my right hand needs to be underneath the ball and also needs to be towards the top of the ball. If I'm passing over my left shoulder, then my left hand needs to be underneath the ball and towards the top of the ball, as we can see. Now, my other hand, if I'm passing over my left, is going to be at the top, and it's going to be somewhere between the middle and the bottom. Okay, so that is giving me that momentum to throw that ball. Likewise, as I will be doing, passing over my right shoulder, I've got my hand at the bottom, and my hand is doing the same again. I'm using that momentum to push that ball out that distance. So let's give it a try, shall we? So I'm on my pink cone, I've got my ball, I'm going to place my ball down. Okay, so what I'm going to do, as I said, is I'm going to pass to my coat. Now I need a counterbalance, so like you've been working on in school, you can either lean forward or back. I'm having to lean forward, so that means I'm going to have to use my arms for balance and push my leg back. So I'm leaning down, picking my ball up. Like I said, my hands are in my position, and I'm passing to my coat. Now, to make this harder, guys, what you can do is, if you have a partner, simply either yourself or ask your partner to move further away at every successful attempt. Or alternatively, if you're using a washing line and a cone like me, what you can do is you can simply move your cone further away from that washing line, so it makes it easier. Now, if you're using a wall, just try and mark out an imaginary area, okay? Now, all you're going to do then is you're going to throw that ball into that target. Simply, if you have, say, a hula hoop, that would be a very good target which you can put up on your wall. Hopefully, you may need your mum or your dad's help to do that. So I've shown you a pass over my right shoulder. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you a pass over my left shoulder. So before I even show you my left shoulder pass, I have a quick announcement. I have my first rugby star of the week. Now, the award simply goes out to Jack of St George's. I'd like to give you a personal very well done, Jack, for all the hard work that you've been showing with your videos. I'm simply impressed by the talent that you've displayed, and I cannot wait to see you in competition, hopefully sometime soon when all this is over. Now, on with today, and Jack, I know you're going to smash this in particular. Let's see if we can have some more rugby stars that I can add to my video next week. So I'm going to pass now over my left shoulder, making that left pass to my target. So here I am at my target. Got my target there, I'm at my cone, ball is going down again. Now I'm passing over my left shoulder, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to stand on my right leg. I'm going to bend down, use my left for balance, pick the ball up, be it I'm unstable, hands are in the position, and I've made that pass again. Super easy and super effective, everybody. Now, if you want to make this harder, try and have a go at experimenting, passing, say, over your right shoulder and standing on your right leg. Notice how difficult that will be, alright? Now, that will give you a key incentive as to how you should be standing, or how you should certainly position your body when you're making your pass. Good luck with that, everybody, and as I said before, make sure you write down your score within your sheet of how far you were able to stay away from your distance and make that pass successfully. And good luck.